What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 here with us today. Now let's take a closer look and a walk around for this beautiful piece of art. Now my favorite Mercedes cars are always the coupes, and any car that has a slope at the back that drops like this to me looks fantastic. It looks like a monster, man. I love it. Just check it out. This is in black, as you can see. Very sleek, very nice indeed. Everything is blacked out. You hardly can find any chrome pieces besides the chrome that they have on the grille. Now let's start off with a walk around from the front lights. I love this new design of a light. They're using multi-beam LED light system, but I love these lights that are all over around it, guys. Now that's how the front light looks like. Now take a look at the grille, guys. These are the AMG grills. That's the reason why they have all those lines like that. In a way, you get this AMG wording at the side right here. You got this beautiful glass-like logo that we have displayed over here. Now you can't really feel it because it's actually a glass, as you can see, because the sensor is located right at the back. You get your Mercedes Alfata back AMG logo that we used to be a Mercedes-Benz logo last time, but now it's like this. It's beautiful looking design. Now check out the front bumper. Amazing cuts that we have right here, angling all the way. You can see some holes right there for air to flow through. Aggressive looking design. A lot of this blacked out finish that we have all over the bumper. That's where your number plate goes. Camera right here. AMG wording as mentioned earlier. Beautiful bumper at the front, as you can see. Now check out the front hood. The front hood has this bulging lines that we have on the hood, right? Wherever you stand, you clearly can see how aggressive the hood looks like. So beautiful design. Now let's take a look at the wheels. The wheels right here are done up in this matte finish multi-spoke wheel. I love how the finishing of this wheel looks like. I love how this silver lining on the outer part of the wheel also is like. Now my favorite part is this AMG wording that we have. Unfortunately it's a bit upside down, but yeah, there you can see it. It's beautiful. I love it. But yeah, Michelin tires are on this car. Now let's check out the tire size of this unit. This unit has 285/40 R22. Now those are the wheels and tire size of this unit. Comes with a drill disc brake at the back there, as you can see all those drill holes. AMG calipers, very nicely done. Silver color, and love this wheel cap. Not bad, awesome. So it has the turbo 4matic wording at the side of the car. Fantastic as well. You got your black side mirrors. 360 camera right underneath here. Check out the side steps. Beautifully designed. These ones, and a little bit of some chrome lining at the door side here and the front grille. That's what makes this car look beautiful. Now, let's open up the doors. Let's check out what's hiding on the inside. We have some carbon fiber finishing all over the place. Burmester sound system, heated and cooling, memory seats, seat adjustments, handle to open up the door, window to wind down. You got your leather finishing all over the place right here, stitching, very nicely done. Compartment storage to keep some stuff. You got your AMG wording at the side plates. Cool, man. AMG wordings on the carpets. But check out the seats, man. You got some suede finish on this side. You got some leather finish on the outside. You got some AMG wording right here. The perforated seats that we have with all the holes, as you can see. Very nice indeed. Carbon fiber trimming. Now let's have a seat on the inside. Let's take a closer look of how this actually feels. Now this is me not even adjusting the front seats, but I believe I will be moving forward. Yeah, seat adjustments on the door. So let's push that forward. Cool. Now I'm moving forward indeed. This is me sitting down comfortably right now. You got your air vents right here, airbag. These are the carbon fiber trimming. Amazing. Air vents again, plenty more. Amazing design like here. You got some opening right here. Sound system should be on top and all over the place. Temperature adjustments and other adjustments are all your hazard lights, vehicle settings for you to jump through any shortcut. This right here is for you to pull. Totally forgot about that. This is for you to open. You got your wireless charging right here, Type C over there. 2 cup holders that we have right here. You even can cool it, or either you can heat it from this button right here. Amazing, right? So touchpad, love this touchpad that we have right here. Driving modes, you can change it from here. And also you have your volume adjustments, you got your navigation map, radio, media, telephone, vehicle settings, auto parking, your camera, so it'll pop up, favorite button. You got your height adjustments for up and down, airmatic suspension. A nice place to rest your palm while you do all of that settings. So amazing work. Amazing steering. Frameless mirrors that we have right here for the rear. You can open up the glass roof from this side. Got light adjustments over there. Mercedes Me, SOS call button, fantastic. Yeah, you got lightings all over the place. So this would be your mirror for you to check yourself. Amazing look. You got a roof right on top of you, as you can see. You can open up the whole roof and push it to the back using this. So this is me sitting comfortably right now here, and from the front, it's kind of cool. You got your seat belts right here as well. Amazing handle that we have in case the person is going too fast or going on an uneven road. All-wheel drive, right? So handles really well. So now let's move to the rear seats. Cool. Check out how bright the light shines. Amazing. So let's open up the doors. Now before we head to the rear, let's take a look at the tires. These are the rear tires. Now the front were drill disc brakes. These are solid discs, and also the brakes are right here also as well. And you can see it's using the same tire, Michelin, but the tire size is 325 35 22. So 22-inch wheels, Michelin tires, and they are amazing. Again, the matte finish is, I love this matte finish. Damn cool. So carbon fiber finishing over the inside right here. Beautiful Burmester sound system. Handles to open up the door. You got your window adjustments here. Glove compartment here. Amazing stitching again. You got this two-tone finish. Fantastic. So no wording here, just a metal plate. AMG wording at the carpet. Let's go right in. Check it out. So space is there. I've adjusted the front seats according to how I want to feel. Some storage compartment for the front seats. You got your air ventilation right here. Some hook over here. Lighting up there. Check out the glass roof. Spacious. Beautiful. Now, air vents to turn it off and turn it on. You got your other digital screen right here where you can adjust the buttons right here for the aircon climate control. And you got your other charging sockets down here as well, together with a small storage compartment right there. Charging two slots. Cool, man. So this is me sitting down at the rear, and right here as well we got my seat belt, which is hidden at the back because the seats were folded down earlier. So let's check that out later, but in the meantime, let's fold this down. 2 cup holders that you can keep. Cool. Let's push that back up and let's move to the center seat. Now check out how comfortable I'm sitting at the rear. Someone moved the driver's seat earlier too much to the back, but check out the headroom, man. I'm sitting comfortably and it's like, yeah, a lot more. So beautiful, amazing. Seat belts are black. Got this suede finish happening on the seats, mixture with some leather. Amazing. Check out the front seats view. Amazing. Amazing, guys. So let's open up the rear door. Can you up a little bit to there? So let's get down and check out the rear boot. Now before that, let's fold down the seats just to show you guys. But I know one more. Okay, cool. Open up the rear. Let's fold down this seat. Let's check the boot out, guys. The boot space is huge, right? But before that, let's move the front seat a little bit forward so that we get the rear to be comfortable enough for people to sit in. This is how beautiful the front seat looks like. Amazing. Sport pedals also look very, very cool indeed. Now we will be adjusting that in a while more. Take a look at this. Fold down. Check out the back seats. The space that this car has. Absolutely huge, man. Dude, this is huge, bro. So you can actually move the cover up. I believe you can take the cover out as well because you want to store more stuff in, right? You don't want that partition to be blocking you for any reason. You can lower down the height if you wish to. You got some charging sockets right here, some hook to hook stuff, net to keep stuff, and yeah, amazing storage space. You can open up right here. Let's see what they have. Some more storage space down here, and also you got your hook and your warning triangle and whatnot. So cool layout setup. So let's move that, push that back. Check out the seats from this view. Amazing, right? Space is awesome, dude. So let's open up the driver's side. So here, carbon fiber finishing again. Beautiful texture. You also have your amazing Burmester sound system. You get your heated cooling, and also you can adjust your left seat from here. Check that out. Seat is moving from here to there. See? Cool. So you got your heated and cooling ventilation system. You got your memory seats available, door handles. You have your windows, child lock for the windows, windows again for the front. Side mirror adjustments, folding of the side mirror, boot opening right here, and spot pedals down there as I mentioned. AMG wording right here, AMG wording right there. Seats. Love how these seats feel, you know, they hug you really tight. So you got some AMG wordings right there as well. Now let's check out the center steering wheel. This is beautiful, man. I love this. Steering wheel is fantastic. You got your suspension settings right here. This should be like your driving mode, and also you have your other settings like for this screen right here, you got your other volume controls, rejecting the call, answering the call, and whatnot over this side. These ones right here control that screen. These ones are here like the cruise control, lane keeping assist, not lane keeping assist, but more like distance between you and the front car. Yeah, it's all adjusted from here. So speed limit, reset, cancel, all of them are here. You got your gear lever at the back right here, drive, reverse, and also P on the inside. This is your turn indicators and also your wipers for you to adjust it. So cool. And start button will be down here. Amazing look as well. So you have your amazing finishing for the lights down here. Handbrake would be this, and also you got your lights and also your brightness for the main screen for this side right here. So cool. Let's check it out, how the lights look like. Before that, this is how comfortably I'm sitting in the front seat, the driver's seat. Awesome. So let's get down. Let's take a look at the lights. Beautiful lights, guys. Check it out. So these are the daytime running lights that are currently on. So you got two down here, you got one line up there, and you got another two there. So check it out how aggressive this actually looks. This looks absolutely stunning, man. I love how this thing finishes to be looking so fine. So aggressive and nice, but let's look at the rear. Take a look at this. Let's close the rear boot to show you guys how does it look like. Check that out. So the lines right here, right, how it goes. You got another line, one line, but look at the reflection. Damn, looks like there's two, but only one. Cool, man. Sharp, pointy. You got a spoiler right here. Beautiful, beautiful cut. Now let's take a look at the hazard lights. Press that. Take a look at the back first, guys. Cool, man. Down right here. Brake light should be on top. Beautiful. Reverse light should be here. There you go. Brake lights, signal lights. Stunning, stunning car, guys. Stunning car. Check out the rear diffuser. Also, you got some amazing exhaust pipes. The AMG wording on the exhaust, both of it. The rear diffuser, aggressive, guys, aggressive. So you got two exhaust pipes here and also there. Amazing layout. Check out the rear. Gloss black finish. You got some matte finish right here. GLE 53 wording right there. Mercedes logo right here. AMG badge on the left. Number plate goes right there. So beautiful. Let's check out the front, how the hazard light looks like. It's kind of cool. These are looking fantastic, man, dude. The car looks damn aggressive. So you got your turn indicators right there where the daytime running lights were running up earlier. You got the two white lights still maintained. So beautiful, not bad. Very good looking indeed. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage in PJ, where you can find this car and many more other cars located downstairs, outside. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.